Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically generate this pixelated profile picture on Picrew. So type in pixbabe underscore x0 and press search, and then you're going to select it. Then you're just going to select play. Here you can adjust the skin tone according to your skin tone. And here you'll be able to select the color of your eyes. And then after that, you can select the shape of your lip here. And then here you'll be able to select like the bang here, actually no, this is the like hairstyle that you can choose from. And then here you can select the color of your hair. So this is the like fringe, that's what I meant. So select the one that you like. I like this one. There's also these like, I don't know what they're called, like side pieces, I guess. And then here you'll have like these like buns that you can choose from. And there's other things that you can customize. And then once you're done, you're just going to go to the end here and actually just press down here and save it to your phone, and you can put it as your profile picture. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.